In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs Voice Changer to sound like anyone. To get started, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard and look over to the sidebar. From there, open the Voice Changer option, which may also appear as speech-to-speech, depending on the version you are using. This is the tool that lets you transform one voice into another, while keeping the original spoken content intact. If this is your first time using it, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where the Upload area voice selection tools and settings panel are located. Once you are inside, the next step is to add your source audio. You can do this in one of two ways. You can upload an existing audio or video file, or you can record your voice live using your computer's microphone. If you are uploading a file, make sure it stays within the platform limits, which are up to 50 megabytes and up to 5 minutes in length. For the best results, try to use clear audio with minimal background noise, since cleaner input usually leads to a more accurate and natural-sounding output. After your audio is ready, choose the target voice you want to transform it into. You can pick from the pre-made voices available in the library. Use a voice you've already cloned, or create a custom voice from scratch if that option is available to you. This part is where you decide the overall character of the final result, so take your time and preview different options if needed. The closer the target voice matches the tone and pacing of your original recording, the smoother the result can feel. Next, move to the settings panel on the right-hand side to fine-tune the transformation. You will see sliders for stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. Stability controls how consistent the voice sounds throughout the clip. Lower stability can create more emotional variation and a more expressive performance, while higher stability usually sounds steadier and more controlled. Similarity determines how strictly the AI follows the traits of the target voice. If you want the result to sound more closely matched, increase this setting. Style exaggeration affects how animated or dramatic the delivery becomes, which can be useful if you want a more energetic or stylized performance. When everything sounds right, click Generate Speech to process the audio. After that, listen to the preview carefully. If you are happy with the result, go ahead and download the transformed audio file. And that's it. Thanks for watching.